Come test drive the 2016 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, panic alarm. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.